eat. Almusal natin mga shots. Kain tayo mga shots. Almusal tayo. Ang sarap ng aking almusal. Yes, anak. Just wait, anak. Just wait lang, baby. Mama is taking a video. Yan po kasi yung kanyang pinapanood. It's a heavy meal today. Yung ating gutom yan. Tapos may pakapi pa tayo. Salamat, Lord. Kain tayo mga shots. Ito yung yung ulam ko nung isang gabi na pansit lang na hindi maubos-ubos. Ay naku, hindi na naman kakain tong aking anak. Wait lang, anak. You want something na? You want to eat? Don't kick me. Sorry. Ayun na, may music na. Okay na? You want pansit na? Kadididi lang kasi nito eh. Ang sarap ng pansit na. Ang bango. Kain tayo. Ito ba yung garden nila na? The electric pan. Good. Ang aga namin nagising, itong batang ito. Natulog ko kagabi, alas 3 na. Kaka-edit ko. Tapos nagising siya alas 7. Kasi dumating yung daddy niya. Ngayon, gising pa kami. Sabi ko, ikain ko na nga lang to. Yung inaantok ka na, inaantok ka pa, gising niya yung bata. Ay, naku. Anak, you want something to eat? You want pansit? No? Not hungry? Ang gatas na lang kasi. Me here na. Let me see your face. Uy! Oh, just stay here lang. Just stay here. Don't go there. Come on, let's go outside na. Let's wait for the Anak, what happened to your legs, anak? Yeah. What happened to your legs? Let me see, nak. You have to wait, anak. No touching. I think more minutes. You have to wait few minutes, okay? It's okay. Still not here. Relax. Relax lang, baby. Say hi. Say hi. Relax. Ayan. Wala tayong gatas dala, anak, ha? Just a quick there, anak. So, just get the cards and then we'll go home. Likod ka man, anak. Don't tell me going to sleep, anak. Don't sleep. We don't have on the stroller. You're too heavy. And we have to go up. Ayun na. Tinan mo yung parang may problema sa buhay. Anak, ano yan nak? Oh nak. Nandito na pala kami sa labas. Umakyat. Ang taas ng inakyat namin, 4th floor. Diyos ko na yung buti na lang wala tayong ano. Wala tayong stroller na dala. This way, malulungkot ang bata. Alam ko kung paano ito pasayahin yung mga batang ito. Oh no, there's a spiky there anak. Spiky. Come on, let's go. Ewan ko ba bakit malulungkot yung mga mukha nito. Pag nakita to si Jollibee, mamaya natutuwa to. Anak, you want Jollibee? Yeah? Huh? Ngi. Oo, ate. Malya, come beside me. Punta kami sa Jollibee.
Ay, ganyan mukha ako.
We're going to Jollibee. Hawakan mo. You want Jollibee? Yeah? Jollibee. Cellphone pa more. Walk in the corner at Malia. Jollibee. Gising na tayo? Welcome ko, Malia. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Hold Diana. Malia. Oh, careful. Tinanong mo sana. Apoy di yata eh. Oh, hot. Spaghetti? Just fries only? One French fries only? What else? And? You want to eat with rice and chicken or something like that? Yeah, tell me. I have to order the food. So you want fries and what? You want burger steak?
What's burger steak?
Burger with rice.
No.
No? What else then? Oh, we have here. It's a watch. This looks cute. How much is this? You got watch. How much are this one here? It's a watch anak.
Ako din.
Bata lang. Oh, we have to full in line. Full in line ka muna. What you want? Hingian mo muna ng tubig. Kaya yan, Asmalia.
Ayun, gusto ko niya. Sabi niya, ano niya?
What you want? Okay. You have to wait. Ayan mo lang. Nahilo na ang baby natin, girl. Girl, are you okay, girl? You okay, anak? Okay, it's okay.
Hello po.
Yes, hello po. It's okay, no need to cry, It's okay. It's okay. Be a good girl. You're a good girl, right? A good girl. Look at Malia. Malia, what are you doing? Look at Malia. Good job, Ate Malia. Good job. Ate Malia. Good job. Good job.
I was really thirsty.
Huh?
I was really thirsty.
You are? Okay, sorry. Thirsty ang baby Ana. You want to sit here? Huh? Where do you want to sit? Ako, yung ating mga anak. Are you excited with your watch?
What?
Yeah, I bought you a watch. Music pati Jollibee. Ano?
What's that?
This one first, ano? Okay, Mama will eat it. It's same thing, anak. It's same thing. It's a burger inside. Burger inside. Okay, sit down here, sit down. Mama will feed you. Okay, sit down. Mama will feed you. Anak, careful with your clothes. You have to wait.
Mama, can you move the stuff there, the food?
Yeah, you can have that. You want to sit here? What do you want? Okay.
Ayan lang ba?
Meron ba yata? This one. You want to sit here? Okay. Are you happy? Oh, this one, that's for you. Doon ka na lang po sa kabila. Ito yung sa Ate Malia. This one is for you, right? Okay, sit down. Careful, careful. Yeah, this one is for you. Huh? Here. Yes, anak. Yeah, it's a watch for you. I bought a watch for you, anak. You like this one? What do you say? Thank you. Say thank you, mommy. Thank you, mommy. Let's open this one. Okay. Be careful, anak. Here. Here, Ate Malia. Order. Mama will open it na. Excited din yung bata. May pa-music sila dito. Hindi sana tayo makapiright dito. Ganyan siya. Okay. You want me to put it on, anak? Here. And put. No, here. Put the sauce. Oh, careful, careful. Wait, mommy, wait, mommy. Wait, mommy now.
Need to pray.
Yeah. You forgot already how to pray. Here, 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 here.
My school don't try this
Do you want to eat rice, Ate Malia? You want rice also? You can share with Ayana.
one.
Okay.